Hi everybody, this is Big Chuck, and we're going to wrap up our little tour of Arlington Cemetery. Of course, wherever you go, there's military cannons. Up there are some cannons that were from some battleships. Of course, the iconic row after row after row of those white stones, all similar. Up behind that tree, you can't really see it, is the mast of the USS Maine, which blew up in Havana Harbor. They dragged the mast right back up here to Arlington and buried all of the sailors underneath it. The monument to the astronauts who died in the shuttles over there. But this little gravestone right here is one of the most visited graves in Arlington Cemetery. Audie Murphy. Audie Murphy, the most decorated soldier in American history. Out of Texas, a Major Infantry World War II Medal of Honor winner in a simple soldier's grave at Arlington Cemetery. I am Big Chuck.